Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Molten Freddy out of Legos. This is by far one of my most favorite things I've ever built, and one of the most difficult things I've ever built, because the Molten area is going to be really hard for me to memorize. Which is why I'll be using a different form of tutorial in the time-lapse for me and you to have an easier time of comprehending on how to build this thing. Just like all the other animatronics, this one has the opening plate feature, which I really like, and it's really accurate in my opinion with how molten it looks. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, let's go ahead and assemble Molten Freddy. Now, this one has a lot of pieces, so we take the first two molten pieces which we built, and do you see this piece? Well, it goes right here. So we're gonna have to put this molten part over the molten like puddle thing, like this. So now we got a base plate, or like a base piece or something like that. Now, let's go ahead and take the body and attach it to this joint right here. We've got a body right here. Now, let's go ahead and put the arms and hands together, like that, and the other one. Now, time for the head. Let's go ahead and place it right here. Now, this is by far one of my most favorite things I've ever built. Not only because Molten Freddy is one of my favorite animatronics, but because I feel like I really outdid myself with this build, and I really love its opening faceplate features, and I hope you do too. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more animatronics from Five Nights at Freddy's Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria Simulator, and I'll see you guys in the next video.